Hi, I'm Chris with Autoscope, and this is the Autoscope Minute. One of the things that we never like to think about is our car breaking down. We typically drive nicer cars and we want to take care of them, but sometimes stuff happens. Tires blow out, fuel pumps fail, and it can leave you stuck on the side of the road. So you always want to be prepared for that type of situation whenever it happens. So some of the things you want to make sure you have in your car are bottles of water, just in case you don't know how long you're going to be there for a tow truck. If you get stuck in a major accident, sometimes it can be hours. So you want to make sure that you're able to be hydrated while you're there on the road, especially if it's summertime. If it's 110 degrees and you're stuck in your car on the side of the road, it can get 180 inside there. You need water. And the inverse of that, if it's cold, you want to make sure that you've got a blanket. If it's cold outside or rainy, you want to have a backup plan so that you can get away from the vehicle. Jumper cables are another great item to have. Sometimes you may have a bad battery, and if you can get a little bit of juice in the battery, it'll get you off the road. Once you get off the road, then you can get to a safe place and have the battery exchanged either by a roadside service or have it towed to Autoscope. I'm Chris with Autoscope, and that was the Autoscope Minute. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below and we'll get to them as soon as we can.